Meaning of doctrine.
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 Doctrine. Doctrine refers to a set of beliefs or principles that guide someone's thoughts and actions. It can also refer to the official teachings of a particular religion, political party, or organization. Following a doctrine can give someone a sense of purpose and direction in life, but it can also lead to dogmatic thinking and intolerance of other viewpoints. It is therefore important to critically examine and challenge one's own doctrine to ensure that it aligns with one's values and goals.